Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today it's going to be another tart video. I'm going to make chocolate cherry tartlet. You guys might know that I love tart. So it's going to be chocolate crust filled with dark cherry preserve and milk chocolate ganache and decorated with dark cherries on top. So I hope you enjoy. Let's dive in. Alright, so first we make the tart dough. I've made this tutorial of how to make sweet tart crust a while ago, but to make chocolate tart crust, you just need to reduce 30 grams of all-purpose flour and add 30 grams of cocoa powder instead. You can add more or less and adjust the amount as you like. I'll leave the ingredients in the description below, and how you can actually make the dough and bake them are exactly same ways shown in the video. So if you haven't watched yet, definitely check it out after this video to learn more about the crust. Melt some milk chocolate and coat it inside the tart crust. Today I use very soft cherry preserve and milk chocolate ganache, so this helps avoiding the crust from getting soggy too quickly. And this is optional, but I'm cutting off any uneven crust on the corner edge to make them look extra clean and sharp. And here is the cherry preserve. I shared how to make it on this candle cake tutorial, so check it out if you're interested. I'll leave all the links down below. You can also try different types of preserve or fillings such as caramel, nuts, Nutella, toffee, dark chocolate ganache, and so on. And here I'm tossing the bottom to make them nice and flat, and I'm chilling them in the freezer just a little bit so that the surface is not going to move while I'm pulling milk chocolate ganache on top after this. For milk chocolate ganache, add honey in milk chocolate, pour simmering hot heavy cream, wait a minute or so to let chocolate get softened with heat, and mix with the spatula until chocolate is completely melted. And I use the hand blender to make them emulsify even more. And added some salt to enhance the flavors, about a few pinches. Pour the ganache all the way to the top. And chill in the fridge until the ganache is completely set. Meanwhile, add garnish on top, pick cherries and cut them in half. And now let's decorate and finish up. Attach some gold leaf and it is complete. I made the very soft preserve and ganache today because I like the idea of feeling kind of melting out when I cut. But to be honest, I felt like they were a little bit too soft altogether, so I recommend to cook cherry preserve longer and make it much thicker, or make the ganache thicker by adding more chocolate in the ganache, or reduce the amount of heavy cream, just as a suggestion. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions about this tutorial or any requests, feel free to leave a comment below, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit notification bell to be notified when I post a new video all about beautiful pastries from scratch. Stay safe and keep baking, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.